Hosting for the holidays can sometimes be stressful, from deciding the menu, decorating gifts, and of course, cleaning. There's no better feeling than decorating your home for the holidays without having to worry about cleaning. I've partnered with Handy. It's an easy and convenient way to book your home cleaning on a schedule that works for you. Since I was chosen to host Christmas this year, I have tons to do, like I mentioned earlier, and cleaning is a very time consuming task that I just do not have time for. So when Handy reached out to me, I was so thrilled with relief that I can get the help, and it's okay to get help if you feel like you need it. Cleaners booked through Handy are independent service providers using the Handy platform, and what I love about Handy is that you can tell Handy about your cleaning priorities so that your pro knows what is most important to you. Our master bedroom is not on my priority list. My daily routine is before leaving my bedroom in the morning, I always make my bed, no matter what day of the week it is. I always feel great knowing at least this room is pulled together. It's something to look forward to when it's time for bed, although the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom is definitely on my priority list. How it works. Go on Handy. I will provide a link down below in my description box. And put in your zip code, you can tell them the number of bedrooms and bathrooms in your home. You can also pick your date and time you'd like your home to be cleaned. Book home cleanings on your schedule, right from the app or website. They will also match you with one of their top rated pros, or you can read real customer reviews and select the pro you love to hire. I typically do not hire services to clean my home, but I'm so very happy I did because the booking process was so easy, and I love that you can book your cleanings right from your cell phone. My cleaners were so amazing. They were on time and they were thorough. Our guest bedroom doesn't get much action, so the dust has built up quite a bit, especially on top of the headboard. They wiped down all the hard surfaces and vacuumed the floors. In our guest bathroom, they washed and sanitized the toilets, shower tub, and sink. They dusted my shelving, which I hate doing, and they wiped down all the mirrors and cleaned the floors, and they took out the garbage. To get your first 3-hour cleaning for $39 when you sign up for a plan, visit handy.com/BeMyGuest and use my promo code BeMyGuest during checkout. Recurring charge terms and conditions apply. Visit handy.com to learn more. Celebrating the joy of Christmas throughout the home consists of adding a Christmas tree in the largest part of the house, which is usually the family room or the living room. The past few years in our family room, but this year I have trees in multiple rooms. But today I will be giving you a Christmas tour of our open concept living room and dining room. All of our Christmas trees are flocked this year. Personally, I think flocked trees are just beautiful on its own. With its natural snowy appearance, it's thick, pre-lit, and it's very easy to assemble. My ornaments are neutral. Some were purchased this year, others were collected over the years. And here's a tip: if you are a collector of ornaments or if you're starting your collection, shop after Christmas for the best savings. On the two side chairs, I've added two snowflake pillows that you've seen me use in our master bedroom the past few Christmases, but using them in this space gives it a whole new look. Using the right decor on your coffee table can often be the focal point of your decor, and these two candle orbs are left out on my coffee table all year round. I just added two blingy candle votives I had already, again giving it a fresh new look. Next to the orbs, I placed thrifted Christmas trees, and if you've been following me on Instagram at Be My Guest with Denise, you may have seen where I posted these adorable king and queen nutcrackers that were given to me by my mom. Over in our dining room, I kept everything very simple using a few large statement accent pieces on our dining table. I added three beaded Christmas trees that can easily be removed when dinner is served, and this beautiful ice garland that I used last year, along with pine needle garland on the center of the table. Buffet style is the only way to go in our home for the holidays, so guests will get their food from the kitchen and they can bring their plate and sit at the dining table or at the kitchen table. Over on my buffet in our dining room, I have three beautiful resin deers in champagne. They're elegant and graceful, and I've added a wine cozy around one of them for fun. They're beautiful enough to rest anywhere in your home. I love them so much, I have two sets. In case you haven't noticed, I love incorporating deers into my holiday home decor so much, even in my surfware and stemless glassware have deer on them. The entire collection can make a commanding presence on any buffet or table. I want to thank you guys for all the love that you shared on my annual buffet setup, and my kitchen reveal before and after tour is up in case you missed it. I'll have the links down below in my description box, and I want to thank you all for watching.